Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 4th students, your chapter number 2, memory and storage. And today we are going to start our topics Blu-ray, multimedia card plus recap in memory and storage topic. So, student, let's start this topic. Class 4th, your chapter number 2, memory and storage. Now today's your content is class 4. Today we are going to study about Blu-ray multimedia plus recap of your chapter number 2. After we will discuss question answer in your book F part. So let's start this topics. Blu-ray disc. So class 4 Blu-ray disc is a new optical disc format that is rapidly replacing DVD. It offers more than 5 times the storage capacity traditional DVDs and can store up to 25 GB on its single side and 50 GB on its dual side. And this disc has the same dimension as that of a DVD and CD. So it is mainly used to store high quality sound, games and movie data. This disc has derived its name Blu-ray from the blue violet laser that is used to read and write data on this type of disc. You can see a Blu-ray disc in figure 2.6. So this is a Blu-ray disc and storage capacity is single side 24 GB and other dual side 50 GB on its Blu-ray. So its name derived from the blue violet laser used to read and write data. Developed by the Blu-ray Disc Association with more than 180 members, Dell, Sony, LG, so etc. examples of a Blu-ray technology. Compact disc CD. So its comparison of a Blu-ray disc, a compact disc CD, also called an optical disc, is a flat, round, portable storage medium that is usually 4.75 inch in diameter. So CD-ROM read-only memory is a compact disc that use the same laser technology as audio CDs for recording music. In addition, it can contain other types of data such as text, graphics and videos. So this capacity of a CD-ROM is 650 MB of data. Next and is DVD, digital video disc. So DVD-ROM over 4 GB storage space with format DVD-ROM read-only memory. So many recordable formats DVD-RW are more highly compact than a CD. Then special laser is needed to read them. Last topic is your multimedia card. So class 4, the multimedia card or memory card is the smallest card, approximately the size of a postage stamp. So we can use it in a digital camera or smartphone. Multimedia cards are available in various sizes ranging from 32 MB to 128 GB. So we need a multimedia card reader to read the multimedia card and connect it with a computer through a USB cable. So it is known as a multimedia card. So it's very small size, so you can see so it's a size of a postage stamp like, and it we can use it in a digital camera or a smartphone. Next we will discuss, let's discuss about this 5 answer the following questions. Number first, student, define computer memory, name its types. So computer stores all its data and instruction in its storage space, which is known as memory. 2 types of memories are internal primary memory other than external secondary memory. Second question is your differentiate between RAM and ROM. So RAM means RAM, which stands for random access memory. RAM is a volatile memory that is temporarily stored the files you are working on. Second, ROM which stands for a read-only memory. ROM is non-volatile memory that permanently stores instruction for your computer. Third is what is an internal memory. Internal memory is in the form of silicon chip and fixed on the electronic circuit board. Fourth question is here, what is the use of hard disk? It is the main storage device for computer and it is fixed inside the CPU cabinet and contains all the software and data. Hard disk is made up of multiple disks and platters. Last fifth question is here, what do you mean? What do you understand or know about a compact disc? So compact disc CD is an optical storage medium. It is a thin circular disc with a reflecting metal coating. It can store up to 700 MB of data and measure 4.7 inches in diameter. So class 4, complete this F part question answers in your notebook. Now next student class 4 activity section. So first A, fill in the crossword with the help of a given clues. Number first question, the main memory of a computer is dash, is a primary memory. Second, the data stored in this memory is lost when the computer is turned off, is a RAM. Third, the other name of a flash drive is pen drive. Fourth is, it is non-volatile ROM. A computer can understand only two states, 0 and 1. These are called binary digits. Next is, it is a new optical disc format, so is known as Blu-ray disc. Let's see a lab session activity. Open MS Word and type any two differences between RAM and ROM. So set the font size of the heading to 16 points. Second is your type RAM. Press the tab key thrice and then type the heading ROM. Press the enter key twice, set the font size to 14 and type the point that you have understood in the class in italics. Save the file using after Ctrl+S key combination. Specify the name of the file in the file name box and click the save button. So close the application by clicking the close button on the title bar. So this is your lab session activity and apply it in computer. So class 4 just revise the topics and read chapter number 2.